Good morning, good morning. Morning, Scotty.
Good morning.
All right. We're on Joey's Mustang. We got, let's see if we can get down there. Scotty, or Joey's, wow, maybe it should be a payday off. Even though, hey, happy birthday, by the way.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, guys, he's only 35. Maybe
Yeah.
going 30, I'm 34. Let's see.
Yeah, I stopped being 35 a long time ago.
Let's see, we got all the bracketry in. E-brakes all hooked up. Car back down. I know you guys have heard a video of this thing running. It runs great. Had to get a return spring for the throttle, which I found one. I'm gonna put it on right now. Check all the fluids again. And give her a start.
And once that's all done, we are gonna give it a bath.
Yay!
Again.
Bath time! So, I know it's been ran a couple times, so that looks good.
Oh yeah, nice.
So, we'll top off the overflow tank. And we'll check the oil in a minute, guys. And like we said, we'll fire it up. Make sure the throttle's kicking back. And Scotty might give it a nice little bath. Yay! And we'll put the air cleaner on. All right, guys. Well, that's a little update there. We'll get you guys another one here in a minute. Later.
All right. There we go. Back on the road again with Joey's Mustang. Hey! Howdy, what are you doing?
I'm sitting inside you, Joey.
Oh my God.
Hey, it's my birthday. I'm gonna say whatever I want today.
It's your party and you'll make a mess on the floor if you want to.
Yes, I will.
You'll cry too because it's happened to you. Oh my. All right, so we got it running. Everything's dialed. Scotty, you were adjusting the
Fan shroud.
getting that back in. That's the way. And
Yeah.
go drive.
It's test drive.
I drove it earlier, and I was like, it's in the shrouds. So Scotty fixed that. I double checked the timing. Damn, I'm good. I was only 2 degrees off, setting it by eye on the engine stand. So.
How to use your eye?
Well, his third eye sucks.
That thing just spits on the floor.
Well, Something like
I'm
that,
older now, it dribbles. Anyway. All right, go. 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 Go, Shorty. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Sexy. The car, not Scott. Just a little drive. And then Joey, you can take your baby home. I love doing these cars. Go Muskrat. Go Muskrat. Go Muskrat. Did you forget how to drive stick?
you know how long it's been since I've driven a stick?
And not used your mouth?